Hi, I'm Dennis, founder of the Salad Table. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to assemble the 27 plant premium salad table. And at the end, I'll even show you how to put the optional trellis together. If you don't have a trellis yet, get one. You can incorporate it later on down the track, no problem at all. First of all, lay out all your components from the box and then identify your 4 long lengths of frame, your 4 medium lengths, and your 5 short lengths. First of all, we want to go to our medium lengths. These 4 will be your legs. Insert the little caps into one end and then your adjustable feet into the other. It may require just a little tap with a rubber mallet. Do that with all 4 legs and set aside. Now grab one of your long lengths, the Allen key included in your kit, and your frame connectors. Frame connectors are very easy to assemble. Turn until it slides on. Always make sure that the Allen key head faces to the outside just to make your adjustments easier later on down the track. Don't tighten these as yet. Ensure that they're aligned in the same orientation at each end. Grab a leg. Just ensure that they're about the same length. I just use a basket to get the same distance from the foot up into the cross brace at the bottom. Tighten up. Insert a leg on the other side. Grab another long length. Install 2 connectors. And attach close to the top, maybe only a couple of millimeters from the top. Then tighten. Now it's time to grab some short legs. Identify the 2 short crossbars with the channel brackets. You'll also find that one channel bracket has a clip for the inlet plumbing. That will go to one end and the one without will go to the opposite end. Push on under the bracket. It may require you to loosen the bracket off to get the clamp on underneath. Install onto the leg and tighten. Do the same at the opposite end. Install another leg towards the foot. And the final short length will go in the middle of the top crossbar. Now insert the connectors like so, and then we need to fit our final legs. Ensure your centerpiece has a fitting installed. Grab your long length, pop it into position, and tighten away. And there you have it, the frame is completed. Lift that into position. Ensure that the clip that holds on your inlet pipe, your PVC pipe, is at the end where the container is going to go. We then grab our channels with the big end or the big hole facing where the container is going to go, and put the sticker facing your guests. We'll pop all 3 channels on. I like to put my close spacing holes at the front, so that's where you can grow your seedlings, and then move them to the back when they require more room to grow. We then grab our outlet and ensure that the channels are seated. If the channels are slightly offset, it may require just to undo these fittings just a touch, just to lengthen or shorten accordingly. Pop on your white PVC pipe, apply some thread tape to your inlet manifold, and screw into the straight adapter. Insert the long PVC pipe into the adapter and then push all your fittings into the rubber grommets. Ensure all the caps are tight. Apply some thread tape to your tap and screw into the elbow. Ensure the tap is in the full on position as shown. Push until it's seated. Clamp into position. Assemble your 100 litre nutrient container by inserting the 5 lengths into the grooves like so, and just ensure that they're fully seated at the top. Push out the container just so it takes shape. Now screw the pump fitting into the pump. Push the black feed line onto the pump fitting. You may also wish to apply a hose clamp. I don't really worry, I've never had them fall off, but if you do have problems, just apply a hose clamp or a cable tie. Now pop your pump into the tank and push the other end of the fitting onto the tap. Prior to filling with water, position where you want the salad table to be and then fill to the top. It's now time to turn on the pump. Ensure water's flowing in all 3 channels. Adjust your legs so that the flow goes down towards the container. Fill up your nutrient containers with water, then add 250 ml of A plus 250 ml of B into your nutrient tank. In your kit we provide you with some rockwool cubes. Watch our video on how to grow your own seedlings, and here's some that I've prepared earlier. So grab your rockwool cube with your seedling a couple of inches tall, pop it straight into a basket and stick it in the hole. As easy as that. And there you have it, we're off and running. All I've got to do now is plant the rest of the table out. A little tip on how much nutrient and water to add. So if the container's half empty, just add half the normal amount of nutrient, i.e. 125 ml of A and 125 ml of B. And just do that accordingly. 3/4, do the maths, perfect. It's not an exact science, your plants will still love you. If you've purchased our optional trellis, I'll show you how to put it together as well. If you haven't and you want one, jump on our website. It's so easy to fit later on. Grab one long piece. Ensure the end cap is in one end. Grab one of the 3 shorter pieces. Insert a cap. Pop on the first length, grab another long length, ensuring that the Allen key heads are all on the same side. It just makes it easy to adjust at a later date. Then continue doing the same with the other two pieces. Get your final two clamps and insert at the base of the trellis. And install on the rear crossbar. There you have it, your trellis is now fitted so you can grow all your vine crops as well. It's fully adjustable. You can either raise or lower the cross pieces to suit the plants that you're growing. It's as simple as that.